Good day, everyone. This is our continuation of discussion regarding lenses and mirror. So we now have the magnification. So when we say magnification, it doesn't always refer to the magnification or making the image bigger. When we say magnification, it is the measurement on how much larger or smaller an image in comparison to its object. So in our previous discussion, so we've discussed that in our mirror computation. Okay, so you have here the principal axis and the mirror. So the object is always pertain to the person who are looking at the mirror o yung taong nananalamin. Okay po? So ito yung object natin. So ang ating pong magnification, we're pertaining to the changes of size of the image in comparison to each object. So sabi natin dito, it is defined as the ratio between the size of the image and the size of the object. So the difference of their size. So we have here two formula in finding magnification. So we have here magnification using the height, and the other one is using the distance. So here, when a word problem, um, when the given word problem have height or pertaining to height, you're going to use this equation. We have the magnification equals to height of the image or HI over HO. While if it's distance, kapag this is naman po ang given sa word problem, you need to use magnification is equal to the negative di over do. Okay po ha? So it is negative. So here, the negative sign or the negative value of di is not always negative in value. So if the given distance is in negative value, for example, it is negative 2. So apparently, we need to multiply the negative sign. So negative times negative will be resulting into positive 2. And if we have 2 or positive 2, it will become negative 2. So the negative sign, not always so. Hindi laging sinasabi ng negative itong di. Negative na lahat ng di. Depende pa rin po yan sa given natin. Kung negative, it will become positive. At kung positive siya, magiging negative. So here is another formula that we can use in computation or computing whether HI or HO or the DI or DO are missing. So here, when we say magnification, we're pertaining whether it's larger or bigger. So we have here a quantity. If our given answer is less than 1, okay, it is diminished or lumiit. It reduces its size. Kapag naman po equals to 1, if it's equal 1, the size of the object and the image is the same. While if it's greater than 1, the image becomes larger or enlarged. Lumaki po yung ating image. Okay, so yun po yung ibig sabihin nito. So this formula we have here, image height and divided by or over object's height is equal to the image distance over distance of object. So those three formula, the magnification is equal to height of the image divided by height of the object, and also the magnification equals to the negative distance of the image over distance of the object. And this formula, ito po yung tatlong formula, this is the three formula that we can use in solving the next word problems. Okay po? So let's now try answering different sample problems. So we have here the first sample. So let's read. Suppose the height of the object is 3 centimeter. The height of the image is 12 centimeter. So what is the magnification? So for this, as you can see, the given variable for this word problem is height. So what do you think is the formula that we should use? Okay po. So we should use the formula m is equal to the height of the image over the height of the object. And in this problem, we should actually, or the answer for this problem is 4. So how do we get that 4? Okay, so let's try. So we need to start with given. So in given, we have here the 3 centimeters. So what is 3 centimeter? That is height of the object. So that is HO. So we have 3 centimeters. Next, we have our height of the image, which is our 12 centimeters. So I have HI equals to 12 centimeter. And we need to find the magnification, or M. And the formula for our word problem, because we are given height, so we have magnification equals to HI over HO. So we need to transfer the values for our solution. So our solution would be like this. So we have magnification equals to HI. Our HI is 12 centimeter over 3 centimeter. So we can actually cancel out the unit because our magnification don't have unit kasi ratio lang siya. So just pertaining if our image is enlarged, diminished, or retained. So we have here M is equal to 12 divided by 3 is 4. So that's how we come up with our answer 4. And based on our quantities, if we have if our magnification is less than 1, that is diminished or reduced or lumiit. Okay, mag-spelling ko. Or reduce or lumiit. Kapag naman po magnification is equal to 1, meaning it's the same size or same height or same distance. And if our magnification is greater than 1, our image is enlarged or become bigger. So based on our magnification here, this is greater than 1. So meaning our image is magnified or enlarged. Do you get that? Or enlarged. Okay, so let's try another problem. So our next problem is, so let me read. The microscope produces an image that is 5.50 times 10 to the negative 4 meters high from an object that is 2 times 10 to the 6 meters high. So what is the magnification of this microscope? So in the given problem, we have here, again, we have the image height. Why? So how can we deduct that it is height? Because it is given here meters high. So meaning we are given height. So again, what formula can we use? So the formula that you can use is the magnification is equal to height of the image divided by or over the height of the object. And for this problem, we can actually get 275 for an answer. So how do we get the 275? So let's try solving it. So we have here a microscope produces an image of what we read of the word problem. So we need to start with given. So based on our problem, we have here our HI. So we have image that is 5.50 times 10 to the negative 4 meters and HO of 2 times 10 to the negative 6 meters. So these are our given. So the variable that we need to find is the magnification or the M, small letter M. So what is our formula? So our formula, because we are given height, we have M is equal to HI over HO. So how do we solve for that? So I have here the solution. So our solution is, we need to transpose the value. So we have 5.50 times 10 to the negative 4 meters over 2.00 times 10 to the negative 6 meters. Cancel out our unit. And if you plot it in the calculator, you will get a total of 275. So using our magnification quantities, this is greater than 1. So meaning our image is enlarged or magnified. Okay, so that's how you compute it or compute our problem. So let's now proceed to our next problem. So a rock is placed 6.50 centimeter in front of a convex mirror. If the image of the rock appears to be 2.25 centimeter behind the mirror, what is the magnification of the mirror? So based on our word problem, we are given distance. Because when we actually draw this word problem, so you have here the principal axis and you have convex mirror. Okay, so this is the convex mirror. Our image or our object is placed here with a distance of 6.50 centimeter. And our image is actually placed 2.25 centimeter behind the mirror. So this is our illustration of this problem. So this is why it is distance. So our formula for this is magnification is equal to negative di over do. So this is the formula that we need to use. So let's now solve for that. So let's start with the given. So given. So we have here given of 6.50 centimeter and 2.25 centimeter. So which is the distance of the object and distance of the image. So based on our problem, the 2.25 centimeter is the image. So this is DI. Then apparently, the 6.50 is the DO because we are pertaining to the rock itself. So the thing that we need to find is the magnification or the small m. And the formula for our problem is m is equal to negative di over do. Okay po? So we have here our solution. So we need to transpose the values. We have m is equal to negative, then multiplied by our 2.25. Because again, as I said earlier, kahit po may negative na di or negative di po ang nakalagay natin dito, hindi ibig sabihin that it doesn't mean that our value is automatically negative. We have the notion here that we need to multiply this negative to the 2.25 over 6 point, let me erase that. Now, 6.50 centimeter. So we have here, so let's multiply the negative, multiply by positive, we'll be having negative 2.25 centimeter over 6.50 centimeter. So we need to cancel the value. So we can come up with the value of negative 0.35. Okay? So, I have this question. Okay po? In a normal Cartesian plane, if we view the number there, we'll be starting in a positive integer of 3, 2, 1, then 0. Then the lower number will be negative 1, negative 2, and negative 3. So we have this connotation that if it's negative value, this is automatically lower than 1. Because in our magnification or quantities of magnification, kapag lower than or less than 1, it is automatically diminished. Pero dito po, in our answer here, kapag po negative, it doesn't mean that it's lower than 1. This negative sign have a lot more meaning. We can actually use this negative sign for what type of mirror it used, for what type of orientation yung image na nabuo natin. Okay po? Gaano kalayo ano yung kanyang focal length. So, yan po yun. So, ang titignan pa rin po natin in our quantity is the value itself, not the sign. Okay? So, here we have 0.35. So, this is less than 1. Less than 1. Bali ako. So, this is less than 1. Less than 1. So, meaning ito po ay diminished or reduced. Or lumiit po yung ating image. And let's now go to our last word problem. So here we have the last word problem. Calculate the image height for an object with a height of 2.5 centimeter, placed 12 centimeter from concave mirror if the image distance is 17 centimeter. So as you can observe, our problem is very different to the last three word problem that we've solved. So here in our problem, we need to actually use the formula for the combined magnification na mga formula. So we need to use the formula HI over HO is equal to negative DI over DO. Okay? So let's now solve for the problem. So here, let's always start with the given. So based on our problem, we have three values. We have 2.5 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and 17 centimeters. So here in our problem, as you can read the word problem, 2.25 pertains to the height of the object. So the meaning this is the HO. Placed in 12 centimeter, meaning our 12 centimeter is the distance of the object. So this is DO. And if the image distance is 70 centimeter, meaning our 70 centimeter is the image distance. So this is DI. Then, and based on our problem, we need to calculate the image height. So our find is HI. So for our formula, so we actually need to derive the formula. So our general formula for this problem is HI over HO is equal to negative DI over DO. But in our problem, we need to find HI. So I will teach you how to derive a formula based on my own, own understanding. So here, our first step is actually cross multiply this formula. So we can have a linear equation for HI multiplied by DO is equal to HO multiplied by negative DI. So for my own logic here, I need to isolate HI o gusto kong iwanan si HI at matanggal si DO dito. Okay, para ma-compute ko at mahanap ko talaga si HI. So paano ko siya gagawin? So how can I do that? So I need to divide both sides by DO. So I can actually cancel the DO and come up with a formula of HI is equal to HO multiplied by negative DI over DO. So that's how I use that's how I do this formula. So let's try another derivation. So for example, I need to find DO. Si DO naman ang nawawala. So I have here the general formula of HI over HO equal to negative DI over DO. So first step again, we need to cross multiply. So you have HI multiplied by DO equal to HO multiplied by negative DI. So I want to isolate the DO or gusto ko iwan si DO. So gagawin ko, tatanggalin ko. So I need to remove HI. So divide both sides by HI. So cross it or makakancel natin siya. So we have here DO is equal to HO multiplied by negative DI over HI. So that's how you do it based on my experience. So para mabilis ang buhay. So let's now compute for our problem. We need to just delete this. So again, our formula for this problem is HI is equal to HO multiplied by negative DI over DO. So for our solution, we have here HI is equal to the value of HO, which is 2.5, 2.5 centimeters, multiplied by our DI. So here negative, so we have negative multiplied by positive 17 will be coming up with negative 17 centimeters over our DO, which is 12 centimeters. So once we compute that, okay, in our calculator, we can actually have a value of, wait, I just get my calculator. So we can actually have the value of, so we can actually have 3.54 or negative 3.54. So we can actually cancel this unit. So we'll have 3.54 centimeters. So this is the value of our HI. And that's how you solve for the three formula given for magnification. Thank you, and I hope this video helps you a lot.